Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe. In today's video, I'm going to go over my MLB cheat sheet for today, April 25th. And what I want to do today is go over home runs, best and worst chance to hit a home run. So we got 8 games here. Actually, before I get into it, check out the links below to download the latest baseball spreadsheet cheat sheet. It's free and you can download it, and check out the other links too for my simulation tools and so on. So here we go. So we got 8 games. I made one change for those who have been in the tool before. I've got a new tool tab called Pitcher All and Batter All. All that's going to do is just combine all the pitcher tabs just into one. And the same for batters. Instead of having to look at 3 batter tabs at once, it's going to all be in one. So it kind of helps. I mean, you have to scroll really far. It goes all the way to column CL, but then you can do filters and not have to go between tabs. So what I want to do is who's got the best chance of hitting a home run today. So here's all the batters. First, I want to look at opposing pitchers. Here's the opposing pitchers and the pitcher's home run percentage. I want to look at who's got the highest home run percentage given up. And let's just take everyone who's got 3% or higher. So it's these 5. And then now let's scroll over to the batters. I'm going to look at what batters have been hot, who've been hitting home runs of late. So we go all the way over to the far right is what's the L10, which is the last 10 days. And percentage of games that they hit at least one home run. And we got all the way up to 57%, which is pretty high. So let's filter and let's just do greater than 0.2, so 20%. And we got 5 guys here. And let's see, so we got 3 from Boston, 1 from Washington, 1 for Seattle. So let's check out DraftKings here. I'm on the home run odds tab. Let's go to the games. Here's Boston. There's not too many people in here. Let's see, Devers, Abreu, and Wong. They're not actually in there. Maybe there's maybe the pitcher's up in the air. Maybe there's something going on with the pitcher. So those guys aren't able to be taken today. But let's look at Washington or Seattle. Let's see. We got where's Seattle? There's Seattle. And we were looking for Cal Raleigh. Cal Raleigh plus 275. That's pretty good. Let's see. He's got 6 homers on the year. And he looks like his last 10. Let's see. Here's the last 10 games. 7 games. He's got 4 home runs. So that's pretty good. Let's look at Washington next before we make any bets. Washington, and we're looking for Nick Senzel. Oh, there he is. Nick Senzel, plus 750. All right, I think I'm going to hop on this real quick to hit a home run. Oh, I got to log in. Well, I'm not going to log in here on video, but I put a couple bucks on Nick Senzel. Those are my 2 bets for the home runs today, Senzel and Cal Raleigh. Now let's just do a quick, let's see the opposite way. So let's look for pitchers who haven't given up a lot of home runs. Here's the opposing pitcher, home run percentage. Let's take the 3 lowest, around 1% or less. They don't give up a lot of home runs. And let's look at the last 10, who's been cold, who hasn't been hitting homers. So let's see, we got 0%. We got no home runs. And let's take a look to see if we can. It's probably gonna be pretty high odds for a lot of these guys, but Vlad Jr. is a pretty big name. I'm sure he's in there. Let's just check Toronto. Oh, there's Toronto. What's Vlad? Minus 1,200. That's pretty high, but let's see if I close that one. Maybe we build a parlay here. Vlad at minus 1,200. Teoscar Hernandez. Actually, let's see how they've done in the last 10 days. Here we are. So, no home runs. Batting average, Teoscar batting 207. So, let's go to the Dodgers and let's see if we can parlay this up. Dodgers. Teoscar Hernandez only minus 450. So we got those two. And let's find one more. Rex Grossman. He's been really weak the last 10 games. So let's see, White Sox. There's the Cubs. Where's the White Sox? Come on, White Sox. There. Oh, he's not in it. Robbie Grossman. What about Nicky Lopez? Is he in there? Nope, neither one. Okay, well let's find we already got a Dodger, so I think we gotta do different teams. Martin Maldonado? Probably not. Oh, there he is, Martin Maldonado. Minus 2,500. Wow, let's put him in there. Why not? So those are my three guys. 3-pick parlay, I get minus 2,700. Bet $5 on it. Nothing really crazy, but win a couple bucks. Why not? So I'll log in and place these bets, and that's it for the video. So hope you download the spreadsheet, check it out, make some good bets, and just let me know if you got any comments on the spreadsheet or on the cheat sheet if you want any changes. That's it. Have a great day. Thanks.